let's face it, some sections on your website look great on desktop and terrible on mobile. But there is a way to actually get the best of both worlds. So sometimes I'll do this when I'm designing a client's website, and we absolutely love a section on desktop, and they're thinking, yeah, well, Sam, that looks great, but the mobile version, it stinks. I say, okay, well, what we'll do is we'll create two separate sections. We'll create something that looks great on desktop and something that looks great on mobile, and we will hide the mobile version on desktop and hide the desktop version on mobile. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can hide one of those sections from desktop on mobile. So if we go onto our site here, and we've got this lovely looking section right here. On mobile, I mean, it looks fine, but let's just pretend it doesn't. We want to get rid of this, and we want to start the page with this section instead. What we need to do is we need to go into website, pages, website tools, custom CSS, and we're going to paste a media query. So a media query is just basically telling the CSS what to do on, in this case, mobile. If we zoom in, it's actually 640 pixels. So we're not saying mobile, we're saying screens that are smaller than 640 pixels. And we're going to say, if we grab this section ID using the Squarespace block ID finder, we're going to say hide this section, so display none, on mobile only. Now if I zoom out, you can see we've still got it on desktop, which is fine. It looks great on desktop. But on mobile, we now start from here. Now obviously, if I was designing this site for a client, we would have a mobile version for this. So if I duplicate this, let's pretend, this is a different layout. We'd go mobile, and we'd have this. So I'd drag this down so it actually fits. Hit save, hit exit, and there you go. We've got different sections on mobile and desktop. Now, stylistically, I mean, obviously that's not the greatest example, but if you wanted to hide a ton more sections just on mobile, we could grab the IDs for those as well. So it doesn't just have to be one. You can put a comma here. You can even hide blocks. Let's say we wanted to hide this block. We'd put a comma in there, hit save, and if we hit the mobile view, you can see, let's take this off. You can see that that section's gone, that block is gone. And when we hide a block, it just creates a space where it was. So stick that up there, stick that up there, and we can rejig our sections on mobile. So you're not confined once you have hidden it to not being able to customize it. You can then customize it further. So that's how you hide a section and a block on mobile on Squarespace. If you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.